Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. While we are creating ECS service, we have so many options. And right now we are actually discussing about deployment options. In the previous video, we discussed about rolling update, and in this video, we are going to talk about what is blue-green. So let's start. I'm going to explain you this entire process using mind map. So let's start with introduction. ECS creates new environment for new version. As you know that we are using this particular option when we are actually going to update our application. So here in the blue-green environment, when you are going to update your application, it is going to create another new environment. The current environment which is running old version known as blue environment, and new environment created with updated application known as green environment. You can test it separately. If you have new version, you have to test it, right? So in the blue-green, it is going to create new environment with updated application. Then it is giving you time to test your application. Once you test your application and if you think everything is good, your new version is perfect, then you can switch from old to new. Means you can switch from blue to green. Once you are happy, ECS with the traffic from blue means old to green means new. If something fails, ECS can roll back to the old version automatically. Here we have this facility to roll back the update as well. The good advantage of this particular strategy is zero downtime and safe for production. Slightly more setup needs code deploy and load balancer. It is compulsory for us to set up load balancer specifically when we are using blue-green environment. And we also need to use one another AWS service code deploy. Now, when we are going to set up blue-green environment, we have to set up back time in minutes, and here we have from 0 minutes to 1440 maximum. Now what is this back time? In blue-green deployment, back time is a waiting period after green version becomes healthy but before traffic is switched. Means back time is giving us time to test our new environment. Back time allows testing before traffic is switched. During this time, both blue and green are running, so rollback is still possible because you have this particular time to test your application. Once traffic is switched, old tasks are stopped and rollback would require new deployment. Rollback is still possible, but you need to manually roll back this, right? Because you have your image, so you can redeploy this image manually. But yeah, within back time, you can roll back very easily. Now I want to explain you this entire process with example so you will get better understanding about this. First of all, current version running in the production. We call it blue environment which is running version 1. User are accessing this version through the load balancer. Let's say that right now I have this blue environment and my all the task running over here. Let's say that here it is version 1. And maybe multiple tasks according to your desired task setup. So I have 4 tasks running of version 1. Okay, here it is my bad. I have to select version 1 only, right? Because it is an older version. So I have my current environment known as blue and my version 1 is running, like tasks of the version 1 is running into this particular blue environment. I have load balancer. Keep this in mind when we are using blue-green environment. We have to use load balancer. It is mandatory. So my old traffic is actually going to blue environment through the load balancer. Means current load balancer target is blue environment, right? Now you deploy version 2 using blue-green deployment. So step 1. Blue old version 1 task running. It is going to create new environment. So it is going to create version 2 task into this, right? So here it is going to create new environment and here my old V2 task, version 2 task are running. right? It can be any number of tasks, but as we have desired task 4, so we can say that 4 tasks are running. But if you look at over here, all traffic is going to the blue because load balancer is currently using blue as a target. Now, step 2, blue old version 1 tasks are running, green version 2 back time, and traffic still going through the blue. Now, if I am going to set up 60 minutes over here, keep this in mind, if I am going to set up 60 minutes over here, it is going to run both of this environment in parallel mode. Okay, so 4 tasks are running in blue with the version 1, 4 tasks are running in the green with version 2. Now I can test this during this 60 minutes. So I have 60 minutes to test my green environment. Okay, because here we have this back time. After 60 seconds, load balancer will make it as a target, means after 60 seconds, green will be the target of load balancer. So if I want to test my entire application, I have 60 minutes to test. But it is not limited to 60 minutes. You can set up to 1440 minutes, right? Okay. Now, keep this in mind during the testing process. Okay, during the testing process.
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.